This cheesy treat goes really well with your favorite snacks and meals. Let us show you how to make a Kentucky beer cheese that will absolutely make your mouth water with glee. You would want to start by adding the Velveeta cheese, Tabasco sauce, garlic powder, cayenne powder, mayonnaise, and beer in a mixing bowl. Mix with an electric mixer until smooth, and if needed, you may add 1 more ounce of beer. Once smooth, transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with parsley before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.